Today we are going to learn about the area of a circle. I'm not going to lie, if you didn't like circumference, you're probably not going to like this lesson. But we'll keep working hard and we will figure this out. Now, to find the circumference of a circle, we had two possible formulas. We could use area or circumference equals 2 pi r or circumference equals pi d. For area, there's only one formula you can use, and that formula is area is equal to pi times your radius squared, or pi r squared. So let's look at this circle. It has a radius of 4, and we're going to find the area of this. So we say area is equal to pi times 4 squared. Pi times 4 squared. Now listen, you're going to want to tell yourself, oh, that's 8. It's not. 4 squared is not 8. Remember, 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is 16. So 4 squared is 16. So now we have 16 times pi, or pi times 16. It's interchangeable. So we say pi times 16 is 50.2. 3.14 times 16 is 50.2. Okay? Let's look at another one. Let's say that I had a radius of, no. Let's say that I had a diameter. Let's say that I had a diameter of 3. Now, is there a formula that we can use for diameter? No. So we start to panic and cry and throw everything around and say, I'm giving up on math, it's terrible. No. What we can do is, we don't have a formula for the area when it comes to diameter, but a diameter is just two radii put together. So if I want to find the radius of this circle, I just divide 3 in half. So 3 cut in half is 1.5. So if the diameter is 3, the radius, that half piece, is 1.5. So now I can say area is equal to 1.5 squared, and I'm gonna multiply that number by pi. So whenever I write it all out, it's 3.14 times 1.5 times 1.5. Okay? 3.14 times 1.5 times 1.5. And in the end, my final answer is 7.1. 7.1. Okay? Let's go to another scenario. Let's look, which one do I want to do next? Let's look at one that has a radius. Let's take a circle that has a radius of 2. Circle that has a radius of 2. So area is equal to pi r squared. So that would be area is equal to pi times 2 squared. So if I'm going to write this all out, area would be equal to 3.14 times 2 times 2. 3.14 times 2 times 2. Or, let's shorten that. We can say 2 times 2, 3.14 times 4. 3.14 times 4. And it ends up being, final answer, 12.6. Area is equal to 12.6. Okay, let's do another one. Let's say, let's take a circle whose diameter is, where was it? Where did it go? Diameter is 14, okay? So again, this is another diameter problem. Do I sit here and go, oh my goodness, I don't have a formula, what am I gonna do? No, we're not gonna panic, because we know that a diameter is just 2 radii put together. So if the diameter is 14, the radius is 7. Did I write that right? Look at me. The radius is 7. So now I put that into my formula. Area is equal to pi times 7 squared. Pi times your radius squared, which would be 7 squared. Write it out longhand. It's 3.14 times 7 times 7, which is 3.14 times 49. Well, your final answer would be around 154. Now, you're going to have like the little, what do you call it? point something, but I don't have that right now. But it'll be in the 154 ballpark. Okay, see all that work? Okay, one final problem. Let's see. What do we want to make our final problem? Ooh, let's do a big number. Find the area of a circle that has a radius of 35. Ooh, radius of 35. So that's going to be pi times 35 squared. When we write that out, it's 3.14 times 35 times 35. It's ugly, but when you do all the work, 3.14 times 35 times 35 is going to be 3,850. There's also going to be a point something, but I don't know what that is. But your answer is going to be very, very close to that. I will be having a help class for this. That will be on Wednesday. I'll put more details out later, but if you're panicking right now, it's okay. Watch this video again. I'm going to include a few more videos, but we will figure it out and we will get through.